Hi, welcome to Cinta Bahasa channel. My name is Felix, and today we have two special guests.
Hi, I'm Ochie.
Me, Daniel.
I'm the co-founder and school director of Cinta Bahasa.
I'm the academic director of Cinta Bahasa.
Yes, and today we have a special package because, as you know, on 14th of February we celebrate our 7th anniversary, and we got a surprise from someone.
This is
Ta-da!
Who is the mystery sender?
birthday present from Sacha Stevenson channel
Yep.
on YouTube. Probably you have watched her on the series of How to Act Indonesian. Okay, now we need the tools.
I'm gonna guess this is a clock.
Could be.
Map
Map.
of places that Sacha Stevenson has been. I don't know.
A photo with a frame. Maybe.
Whose photo? What photo?
Sacha Nangga.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, this is
We got cash.
cool.
They gave
Sasha
us
sent us cash money. Thank you, Sasha.
$100,000.
This is the Selamat
Menu.
ulang tahun Cinta Bahasa.
A restaurant.
Sasha is opening a restaurant
Okay.
here, probably.
She sent us the menu.
No,
No.
but this is the
Wait.
game.
Oh.
Instructional manual. There.
Wow.
Monopoly. Monopoly.
Yeah, Indonesian Monopoly. So,
No, this is Aturan Indonesia, the board game created by Sacha and Angga.
here we have
And this is the cash money that we're talking about. See?
the rich.
Yeah, suddenly.
So this all about Indonesian rules.
Anyway, so this is the card cues, I guess, like in Monopoly.
Yep.
It's all Indonesian, which is very good. And this is I think like the properties, different kind of properties, the dice.
Oh, because you need to buy properties
Yeah.
in dollars. This is like $32,000.
Oh, she's selling Bali and she's selling
Ternate, Ambon,
Sumatera.
Manado, Palu, Pontianak.
Sasha.
And in the regular Monopoly, you can find like chance and chance. Well, in here we have takdir.
Wait.
Takdir.
And the most important is this one.
Pintu
That's
silaturahmi.
very
Pintu silaturahmi. This is very important for Indonesian
Yes.
people. Yeah.
sad.
Don't ever close the pintu silaturahmi.
The pintu silaturahmi one, for example, your daughter is a gamer. Her tech skill and strategy are impressive. However, you give her your credit card number to buy game packages and the bill is $5,000 a
True
month.
story.
Your son, the addict, keeps getting in trouble with the BNN. Pay $20,000 each time you pass card to keep him out of jail, unless you have a brother in the police.
Wow, this will be a very fun game to play.
Yeah, Sasha gave us a lot of money.
Thank you, Sasha.
$100,000
You're making us
dollar
rich.
bill.
Yeah, I think
$80,000 bill to the lowest is the $500 bill.
we can open one more like school branch after this.
Yeah, I'm sure we can open 10 more.
And if you're kind of curious about this game, you can come to our school in Ubud.
Play
Yeah.
together with us.
Yes.
Or we can invite Sasha to play together with us.
Can they buy this somewhere?
I watched it on Sasha's channel. Actually, they already played. Angga and Sasha already played together. You just look on her channel and
Probably there will be a description where you can find it or how can you get it.
yes, Indonesian Bros. That's the name of the game.
So, I guess we're gonna play this game.
Yes.
See you very soon, and don't forget to click like if you like this video.
You can also subscribe to my channel, which is not.
You have a channel?
No,
Not yet.
doesn't exist at the moment. But if you want to subscribe, I will create a channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Cinta Bahasa if you want to know more.
Sacha Stevenson channel as well. It's very easy to find her. Just type her name and you'll find her.
Or you can find on the link below.
Very good channel, especially if you know anyone who start living here to learn about funny things in Indonesia or sad things about Indonesia.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Felix.
Bye.
I'm Ochie.
I'm Daniel.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Sasha.
Thank you, Sasha.
We love you, Sasha and Angga.